Hello, dear students. Welcome once again after a very short summer vacation. We are discussing our second chapter, which is magnetic effect of electric current. As we know from this chapter that a current carrying wire can produce a magnetic field. As you know this thing that a current carrying wire can produce a magnetic field. We were discussing about that. We have discussed about magnetic field lines and magnetic field produced by straight wire and circular wire. Now, today we will discuss about magnetic field produced by a solenoid. As we discussed, let us revise once again. Let us revise this thing that at first we discuss about magnetic field pattern due to straight current carrying conductor. Okay, now you can see here we already discussed of this that if we have a current carrying wire and there is a current, and we know that current is always moves from positive to negative terminal, you can see here, and in this diagram you can see the magnetic field pattern. We should remember this magnetic field pattern, and the magnetic field pattern produced by straight current carrying conductor is concentric circles, you can see here. And we have discussed about the activity by which we can get this magnetic field pattern. Okay, number two, we already discussed about magnetic field pattern due to circular loop. As we know that we have straight wire, suppose we have straight wire which is a current carrying wire. Because of this wire magnetic field is produced, as we know, and the magnetic field patterns are concentric circles, and we can find the magnetic field patterns by Fleming's left hand rule, Maxwell right hand thumb rule, sorry, Maxwell right hand thumb rule. We can get the direction of magnetic field pattern or magnetic field lines. Okay, now we need magnetic field pattern due to a circular loop. If we turn wire in a circular way, when we convert wire into a circular loop, then this also generate magnetic effect, and this magnetic effect produce this magnetic field pattern is like this. Okay, so this circular loop also generate magnetic effect. Okay, and this magnetic effect in compared to straight wire is stronger. Okay, stronger than the straight wire, that's why we made a circular loop. Okay, now today we will discuss about solenoid. Okay, magnetic field due to a solenoid. What do you understand by solenoid? Solenoid means a solenoid is a long coil containing a large number of closed turns. ठीक है, इसका मतलब क्या है? सपोज दैट यू हैव अ स्ट्रेट वायर in first case. Second case we discussed about circular wire. Now we are saying that make number of circular turns wire में, ठीक है, like this, 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, number of circular turns we made in a wire. This shape is called a solenoid. Okay, and there are number of circular turns, it means that we are multiplying current. It means that it will produce more magnetic field in compared to one circle. That's why we made solenoid. What do you understand by solenoid now? Solenoid is a long coil containing a large number of circular turns or closed turns of copper wire. Okay, this is called solenoid. You can see here, you can see in this diagram, this is solenoid. Okay, this is solenoid. You can see here battery. Okay, and this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Current is flowing from positive to negative terminal like that, and current is moving like it. You can see arrow of electric current. So this is a solenoid. So we should know when we look at this activity, when we want to know about the magnetic field pattern produced by the solenoid. So the magnetic field produced by this solenoid is just like a bar magnet. Okay, it is just like a bar magnet. uh, it behaves like a bar magnet. You can see here as like bar magnet, one side is another pole and one side is another pole. You can see here north pole and south pole, one is other pole and there is another pole. You know about bar magnet. Bar magnet has also two poles, north pole and south pole. Same solenoid act behave like as a bar magnet. Okay. And the magnetic field pattern produced by solenoid is just same like a bar magnet. Inside the solenoid, you can see there are straight lines. Straight lines means uniform magnetic field. If you ever see straight line, it means that it indicates that uniform magnetic field. Okay, so inside the solenoid, you can see here there are parallel straight lines. Okay, these are parallel straight lines. It means that inside the solenoid, there is a uniform magnetic field. Magnetic field is uniform at every point inside the solenoid. But outside the solenoid, you can see here outside the solenoid, here you can see outside the solenoid the magnetic field pattern is like it. Okay, we can say one thing that according to it, the magnetic field strength outside the solenoid is very weak in compared to inside the solenoid. Okay, we can see here there is large gap between these magnetic field lines. Okay, it means that there is less magnetic field, there is less magnetic field. So we say one thing that outside the solenoid magnetic field pattern, magnetic field strength is weak, and inside the solenoid it is strong. And one thing is very important to know about solenoid is this, that the magnetic field strength is maximum inside the solenoid. Okay, this is very important point. Strong and uniform magnetic field we will find at every point inside the solenoid, equal magnetic field. That's why we say this thing that inside the solenoid there is a uniform magnetic field. Okay, you should know this thing. And there is two poles, north pole and south pole. So one question arises that how can we know which side is north and which side is south pole? For this we have a number of way to describe this. We have a clock face rule for finding the polarity of north polarity and south polarity of a solenoid or of a circular wire. Okay, we have a clock face rule. We will discuss it later on, that what is clock face rule. One another thing I am telling you, that we can determine the north and south pole of a current carrying solenoid. We can use a bar magnet. Okay, suppose I am bringing bar magnet here, and this is north pole of a bar magnet and this is south pole of a bar magnet. Okay, at first we bring the north pole of a bar magnet near the both the ends of a current carrying solenoid. The ends of solenoid which will repelled by the north pole of bar magnet will be its north pole, and the end of solenoid which will be attracted by the north pole of bar magnet will be its south pole. I think you are understanding what am I saying, that suppose that I am bringing this bar magnet to here. Okay, like this, and I am bringing north pole to south pole. Okay, we don't know what type of pole it is. Okay, at first. Okay, I am bringing north pole of this bar magnet towards this side. If this bar magnet is attracted by that solenoid, it means that it acts as a south pole. Okay, and if we see that this bar magnet is repelled by this solenoid, it means that this part is act as a north pole. Okay, so like that we can find out what polarity in this solenoid has. Okay, this is very important point. And for getting more magnetic field, for getting more magnetic field, we use this solenoid, and by this solenoid we get electromagnet also. Okay, we will discuss this in our later video. Thank you.